We on one. I'm pretty sure it's a striper. It's fighting really good. And it's running. Oh, it's a catfish. It's a little kitty eater size. It's a nice one though. Oh my God. Something big. My whole pole almost went into the water. Oh, and he's pulling. Nope, come this way. Run this way, run this way. Oh, what is that? Another catfish? I literally just put my pole down. No, I casted my second one out and I was trying to put it down, and I just seen this one. Oh, and he's pulling hella drag. This one was like in the water. There's another catfish. It feels heavy. He's running to the right, and my pole is literally bending. I think it's a catfish. See surfacing. Oh wait, I saw a little silver. But man, he was yanking that thing down. Unless it's a huge striper. Oh, it's a huge striper. It's a huge striper. Holy shit. Holy shit. Okay, this way, this way, this way, this way. He yanked that thing down. Oh yes, that's what I'm talking about. Oh, that's so skinny. Oh my God. Bro. He yanked my pole down. Alright guys. So, measured and weighed this beast. He is 26 inches and 5 pounds. So, literally almost dragged my whole pole into the water. We're on again, guys. We on again. Alright, yeah, it feels like a striper. He's fighting pretty good. He's actually swimming towards me now. And by the way, I'm using 6-pound test for these striper. So that's why my drag is set a little loose, because I'm using light line. Oh yeah. Yes, definitely a striper. He's kicking. He's kicking. It's not as big as the first one, but he looks like a good 2 pounds or so. Good 2 pounds. Yeah. Calm down, hold up. Put them right in the corner of the mouth too. I'm guessing he's about 2 pounds. It's good eater size. He literally spit the hook out but he got the bait though, I guess. Oh, lucky for him. Got a free meal. Alright guys, so it's time to head home. Bite definitely died down throughout the day for the last couple hours. I know it's gonna pick up again right before the sun goes down, but I cannot stay. I wish I can. Maybe tomorrow. All in all, it was a good day. Got that 5-pound striper, and a couple of 2-pounders and a small little cat. So all in all, good day. Well, definitely need to go pick up some more anchovies because I ran out. So I was pretty much just using anchovies the whole day. Fishing on the bottom, you know, Carolina rig. That's it. And it was working. Left with 4 fish. Would have had 6, but 2 broke off. It's all good. I do not want to walk back, but it comes with the territory. I didn't realize how steep this little hill was. All right. All right. Well, next time. I'll get back to you guys when we get to the car. Alright guys, so back at the car. Everything's packed. 3 striper, a little cat. I mean, I think it was a good day, so you know, thanks for watching and everything. You know, if you like the video, go ahead and drop a thumbs up on it for me, please. That would definitely help a lot. Subscribe. I'm gonna be trying to pump out new videos every week for the channel, so hopefully everybody likes it. Hopefully you have a good day and good fishing, man. Bye.